Hi everyone, welcome back. I am here with an unboxing of the Potomac Bead Box. They don't put the months on here, but I just received this 3 or 4 days ago. I just haven't had a chance to open it, and I know other people are opening theirs, but I just had to do it now because I don't have much time to do it any other times, this week. So, and I have not had a chance to do the last one. I saw Tammy at Tammy's Stamping Therapy, I think is her name. Anyway, she did do this box and it turned out beautifully. Not this one, the last one, and because it had orange in it. She did it for my Jewelry Making Fun collab. Anyway, I'm very far behind in these boxes, so I have probably about 3 or 4 months left on a 6-month subscription, and then I think I'm going to pause it for a while until I can catch up making what I have, because you know the boxes start to stack up. Anyway, okay, so this month, and I do like these boxes, I just, yeah, I need more time in my life. No, I don't. I just need to be more productive. Okay, so this one's called Seaside Zen. Take some time for yourself this month. Yeah, I've had a lot of that, but I have not sat by the ocean and sit by the ocean with your beads. Focus your breathing and find your inner peace in hues of cerulean, jade, and gold. This sounds gorgeous already. This is your chance to slow down and obtain calming calm with this month's Seaside Zen Best Bead Box. Namaste. I don't do the whole yoga zen thing, but the colors sound wonderful to me. There's an interesting thing on here too. Okay, this is called a yoga bracelet. Okay, and Allie Buckman designed it. They changed their the way their booklet is. It usually goes this way. Maybe they didn't need as much space for this one. It's a 16 to 18 inch wrap bracelet. Oh my, that's different. I'm really interested in learning how to do this. So we shall see. And this tells you what's in here. So when you open your box, you get those and the materials here. And there's a bag in here which has the materials for the kit, which has a new dragon cord by Bead Tea. So I want to do that first, and then everything else in here is extras for your stash. All right, so one yoga bracelet pattern. Now, if you get the Best Bead Box XL, you get 2+ patterns. Yeah, I think you get 3 patterns plus 2 bags of materials to make 2 of the patterns, and then the third one's just a bonus. I was getting that and I thought I can't even get one made each month, so I'm gonna pause that one, but I'm not getting these done. All right, this almost looks like it's called dragon cord, but it almost looks like silk cord or like Eslon perhaps, that kind of thing. Dragon cord by Bead Tea. Let's see what it says. Oh yeah, Tex 210. That's like a Eslon kind of thing. This new Tex 210 0.5mm cord is of a medium weight and made from quality 3-ply nylon cord that can be used for kimihimo, macrame, bead crochet, and stringing. And even better, it is made in the USA. As a subscriber, you get to be the first to try out this revolutionary product, as it is coming soon to PotomacBeads.com. Yay! Yeah, so I was right. Tex 210. That's like a Eslon type cord. Okay, nylon cord. Potomac crystal bicones, 4mm. Yes, and these are in light sapphire. You can see the color, but there we go. Okay. And then wood rondelles. Okay. Wooden rondelles. And here's the item code. These are a really dark brown. I have, quite honestly, so much wood in my stash, but I do like it. I just don't use it very often. Czech glass faceted millimeter 3 millimeter rounds. So let's see, these are 4. Here's the 3 millimeter. They're in turquoise, number 46846. You know me and my turquoise. Love turquoise. Now those are rounds, not bicones, and they are Czech glass. Czech faceted rounds, 3 millimeter, even though it's blurry. You got the idea. Okay, and then we have Czech faceted rounds. So this is 1.5 grams. No idea how many that is. And 3.5 grams of 4 millimeter in tortoise, which is interesting. That is the color that I just used in my Joy of Blue collab, where I used it with a sky blue jasper and tortoise, but in a larger bead. So there you go. I like that. Then we have a gram of O beads, and these are in crystal Labrador full, which basically means a full silver coating, both sides, all over. And they are tiny little O beads, which this doesn't want to focus on at all. Okay. And then 2 pewter charms, and these are starfish. Awesome. Yay. I like them. Okay, and 1 pewter button, which I guess is the yoga symbol. I don't know. It's double angel silver. I could see that actually. It sort of looks like wings on either side. Interesting. And it's a shank button, so nice. We're going to do some kind of beaded loop or something, I guess. Okay, so those all go in this bag for the kit. And I'm going to put them back in here so that I don't lose them. We don't always get cording, you know, stuff like that, but we did because it's different this time, I guess. All right, now so this list also then lists beads for your stash. And let's see, I'm going to get these organized and I'll be right back. Okay, I think I'm ready. So the first thing in our beads for your stash are these Piggy beads in Jade. They're like a lentil almost, except they have 2 holes and they have a little cup, like a piggy nose, you know, piggy snout. That's why they're called Piggy beads. So we have those. I'm not going to take them out of the bags because I don't want to lose them, because many of the bags are not resealable. Some are, but not most. Then we have pewter beads in 6 millimeter. They're sort of ridged round beads. And I know by not taking them out of the bag, I'm going to have a glare problem. I'm sorry. There. I have ink on my fingers, just so you know. They're not dirty, they're stained. And then we have, and it's funny because I just pulled some of these out in different colors to use. These are Czech glass fossil shell beads. I'll take them out to show you because they're pretty cool. These are glass fossil shell beads. They're in turquoise, pale turquoise travertine. The travertine is that sort of brownish finish on the pale turquoise green. It's a green turquoise, not a blue. And you get 4 of those. That's nice. And then 12 grams of faceted rondelle beads, 6x9 millimeter in crystal travertine. So they're like a clear with, the travertine is sort of a topazy brown finish like we saw on the green. They're different. It almost gives them a tortoise effect, but not quite. Yeah, really interesting. And then Miyuki Delica beads in 11.0 and 3 grams of those in black, which can go, you know, be used for anything. 4 grams of Czech glass Cali beads, 3 by 8 millimeter. Now, I don't think I got these before. These are in Jade, so they'll go well with something else we just had in Jade in the other kit. No, here, with these. And they're 3-hole. They're 3-hole across the length. So they're almost like a marquee shape, but 3-hole. So that's interesting. I honestly don't know what I'd use them for, but I don't do as much bead weaving as I used to, and we'll see. This I love. We've gotten one of these before. This is a glass Cabochon 20 millimeter, and it's gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? Sorry about the ring light there. One day I'll get. I keep saying that. One day. I don't think one day is going to come for me. Anyway, pewter daisy spacers. Always can use those. They're tiny little ones in silver. They're about a 3 or 4 millimeter. They're cute. And I don't know how many grams we get. 1 gram. Potomac crystal drops, 3 by 5 millimeter. These are not them. That would be these. These are in metallic blue iris. Love this color. And these are drilled down the center. They're drops. I don't know if you can see them. They're little tiny drops. They're really pretty. Really pretty. And then we have Storm Duo beads. We have gotten those before. They're sort of shaped like a wave almost, and they have 2 holes going through the side. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this shape or not. I mean, I really don't want to take them out of the bag. The bag's kind of crinkly, but this is one that is sealed. I like the color. It is jet red luster metallic. Sure doesn't look red to me, but maybe if you, no, I don't know. That definitely looks green to me, so I don't know about that. Not red. And the last thing is 1 gram of Miyuki sharp triangles. I don't know that I've ever seen these. They're very small. Matte metallic patina. I like the color of them. They have sort of a blue gold color to them. But they are tiny little triangle beads with 1 hole through the middle. Interesting. Anyway. And then my box, I'm like, what is this? What is this? Well, there's a label on it. It says, enjoy this gift as a special thank you for subscribing. So thank you, Potomac Beads, for that. It is Miyuki seed beads 11. They're not delicas. They're the round seed bead. Galvanized apricot gold. Can always use those. They would have been nice with my jewelry making fun collab this month, which was peach or orange color, because they are more of a rose gold sort of color. So there you have it, the yoga bracelet plus all these goodies to put in your stash to use for whatever you want. All right, so now last month's and this month's projects I really need to make, and I don't know that I'll get them both done by the end of the month. I'm going to try and do last month's first, because I have 2 other projects started on my beading table that I really need to finish before I start on any of these. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll announce when I make these. It'll be Potomac Bead Box from whatever month, yoga bracelet, or maybe just the name of it, because they don't put the name, the month on the box or on these. So anyway, thank you again for watching. Please do come back again whenever you see me upload. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, hit the little bell twice to fill it in so that you're assured that you won't miss any of my videos. And yeah, I'll see you again as soon as I can. Thank you so much. Bye.